Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here back with another video. Today I'm going to be changing my normal lights to reverse lights, LED reverse lights. I only have one because the other side's got fog light on it. Some have two, so this kit comes with two, so I guess I have a spare just in case more than one burns out. So yeah, I'll show you a video in a few minutes after I've unboxed this of what it looks like at night now, and then I'll show you what it looks like with these on. Look at that. So you get two here, as you can see. I'm not sure what bulb they are. I think it's T19, T20 something. Let me have a look. Okay, so it saves energy. It's more powerful as well. Instant on with no warm up time. Yeah. Long lifetime. Easy installation. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much it. It doesn't tell you what bulb it is though. But yeah, it's like T19 or T20. Anyways, you'll know what it is. Just check your manual or check your under the light where you take out the panel. It'll be on the back. It'll say with the bulb name and size and stuff. When I do skip to the nighttime footage, you'll see that what do you call it? That the license plate lights, the LED ones, they're very powerful already. So you might not even tell the difference. Because the reverse light, when you change it to LED, is meant to make it more brighter so you can see further outside. And it'll be very good for my reverse camera too. It'll pick up more because it's more light. But yeah, the license plate lights alone are already bright enough. Makes like a round circle of LED light like behind it, so you'll notice that. So I don't know if you'll see a major difference, but the color wise we'll see a big difference. But brightness wise, I don't know if we'll see a big difference in the bulb itself. But range wise, I don't know if it'll help in the back anymore, because the license plate lights are already very powerful, and there's two of them compared to the one of these. So we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna put them in now and show you how to do it. Let me just take one bulb out. Alright guys, you want to take off your bulb cap there, and then you want to pull the whole cluster out. Alright guys, you just take that tab out there in the middle, and then you push down on this thing here, and then it brings it out. Then you want to remove the small bulb and put the LED one. You literally don't need any tools for this job. You pull that socket off, and then there's a tab, the one I showed you. You just pull that out, the wire, and then you got another small tab. That's the one you have to. That was the only thing that was missing. That was holding it in place. So you need to take that off as well. Alright guys, have to stop the install because the bulbs are wrong size. They're the brake light bulbs. But on the listing, the guy put that is the reverse light bulb, and he put the not WD-40. He put the size which was W21W, which is the correct size, but then he sent a T16 bulbs or W16 bulbs. I don't know what it is. So yeah, he sent me the wrong one, so I'm just gonna get a refund and then order, or I don't know, I might keep it and then keep it for the brake lights, so when the brake lights run out, when they die, I'll change them to the LED ones. And then I've ordered the Samsung set of the actual W21W ones, which is 5 watts. It's the fat one. The fat one's a reverse light, as you can see. So that's the thing I'm going to be changing. So I've ordered the Samsung ones, so they're very bright and good quality, and they should be coming soon. Hopefully they send me the right one this time. It's the same company, but hopefully they sort it out properly this time. So I'm going to put them in and then I'll show you. So yeah, we always get minor setbacks with the car, but it is what it is. Alright guys, I've decided to scrap the Samsung ones. I've decided to order some Osram ones because I've seen videos on them and they're much brighter. Samsung ones are just lacking brightness. Like, it's got cool cooler temperature, but the fucking brightness is weak as fuck. So I've ordered the Osram, so they'll be coming soon. You'll see that probably in the next few seconds because I'm editing. So yeah, I'm playing Siege at the moment. It is 5 AM. Yes. So yes, that is what I'm doing. Okay guys. Alright guys, the Osrams are here now. LED Osram. These were £15 for two, and because I only have one reverse light, so I got two basically.
So that's my spare probably. Yeah. So as you can see, the big fat bulbs, they're the reverse ones. They're very bright. If it doesn't work one way, you just turn it around and put it in the other way because it's LED. And that's the cool white color. Don't like this casing because it's reflective of my flash. Okay, so as you can see, W21W. Oh, it's reflective. That lights up with the flash. That's sick. Okay, it's got 4-year warranty too. And it's brighter, 2 times brightness, which is good. And there you go. You got the normal orange lights and the white. So these can be used as daytime running lights. I think the bulb type is the same, but I'm using it for reverse light because why not? It's CAN-bus compatible, so you won't get any error codes, and it can't be used behind a colored glass, probably because it's too bright or something. I don't know, or it doesn't spread light out properly. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna plug in and I'll show you what it looks like. I might show you again how to do it. I don't know, depends. I'll show you how it looks like in the day and how it looks like in the night.
As you can see, it's a lot more whiter. It's a bit brighter as well. So yeah, very successful. As you can see, it's pure white compared to the yellows. So that is very successful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.